Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change text size on Windows 10 and Windows 11, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change text size on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and right click and then click on settings and then click on ease of access and then here on display you see here make a text bigger. Now here is a sample text and just you can here increase it, and when you are happy with this size just click apply. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change text size on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.